Welcome to Eppadi. Welcome back. In the last video, you got introduced to Tamil vowels, Uyir ezhuthukkal. So in today's video, we will see how to pronounce each and every one of those vowels, Uyir ezhuthukkal. Before we head to learn pronunciation, I just want to cover some basics, take a few minutes to talk about the basics. So Tamil letters, they are like broadly categorized into two. Mudal எழுத்துக்கள், which is prime letters, and the second one is சார்பு எழுத்துக்கள். That is the dependent letters. Basically, prime letters, they can work on their own, whereas the dependent letters, சார்பெழுத்துக்கள், they have to depend upon basically the prime letters to have some sort of meaning or usage. And there are a couple of categories of prime letters. Vowels fall under prime letters, and also the consonants. We call vowels உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil, and similarly the consonants are called மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். So உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள், like உயிர் is like life or soul, um, whereas consonants மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், மெய் is body. So here we go. We have the 12 vowels or உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் in front of us. So again, these 12 alphabets represent the basic sounds that could be made without the help of other sounds. So these alphabets help in building and making the rest of the sounds. So they are the backbone of Tamil, all the Tamil words. So and thus they are called உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள். That means like life or like soul. So today, to help with the pronunciation component of it, I'm going to pronounce each and every Tamil vowel உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் one by one with the help of few English words. So without further ado, let us jump into that. Ah, as in sun, fun, done. So it's ah. Oh, as in farther, ball, father. Ah. E, as in fit, kit, sit. E, as in fit, kit, sit. E, as in feet, beat, neat. E, U, as in push, good, put. So it's oo, 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 as in root, boot, loot. Oo, a, as in hen, ten, zen. So it is a, as in gate, fate, late. And it's a. I, as in bison, Dyson, mine. So it's I. O, as in only, wonder, and once. So it is O. O, as in boat, note, and goat. So it is O. O, as in down, foul, and bowl. So it is ow. So we have successfully managed to pronounce the 12 Uyir in Tamil, the vowels, and here are the 12 vowels. And of these 12, there are two odd men out. In the last row, first one, which is I, and the last alphabet, which is O. So those two are odd ones. And of the 12, the remaining 10, they form part of like 5 sets. So it is like E, A, and then in the middle last row, O. So the first of that set is the short vowel, and the second is the long vowel. Basically, the short one is A, long one is A, short one is E, long one is E, short one is U, and the long vowel is U. Short one again is A, and the long vowel is A. And the last set, O and O. So the one pro tip I can give, like when it comes to pronouncing these vowels, is like for the short vowels, like I'll just snap my fingers like once. So that's A. And whereas for the long vowels, I'll snap it twice quickly. So it will say ah. So snap it twice. I think that would help in practicing. So please try to use your mobile phone or a recorder to practice these vowels when it comes to pronunciation, and hope like as as you like try practicing more, so you'll get better at it. So it's time to wrap up today's video. Please continue practicing the pronunciation part of it. Also brush up on the basics, please. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please be safe. Thanks for stopping by to watch this video. Hopefully this video was useful to you. I will meet you in the next useful video, and hopefully you'll come and join me.